Well, Bihar has been a huge defeat for the BJP, a party that had made Narendra Modi the Prime Minister the face of its campaign. The PM addressed more than 30 rallies, staking in a sense his personal prestige in Bihar, while party President Amit Shah was really the brains behind the BJP's campaign. At the end of the day, the question is whether there will now be some massive internal churning within the party and within the cabinet.
For the Narendra Modi-led government and the Amit Shah-led BJP, it's time to face tough questions. The Delhi loss hurt the party but was shrugged away with all eyes on Bihar. But now a decisive mandate for the Grand Alliance in the state will impact policies and politics. Voices of dissent and challenges are already surfacing.
मेरा मानना है कि इसकी एनालिसिस होनी चाहिए और जिम्मेवारी तय होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरा जो आकलन था, मुझे जो लोगों से आभास मिल रहा था, जनता मन बना चुकी थी कि भाजपा को वोट देगी.
Sulking allies got their chance to be more aggressive.
अभी महाराष्ट्र में चुनाव होते हैं, अभी तो बिहार से भी बेहतर नतीजे महाराष्ट्र में शिवसेना को मिलेंगे. मैं आपको अभी बताना चाहता हूं.
The worst impact perhaps could be on the government's economic agenda. An emboldened opposition is likely to stall the winter session and the government's plans to pass the GST.
Well, I see this as a rebuke to the central government and the leadership of the BJP. And the message is, please do a course correction. They have a short window to do a course correction before the next session of Parliament. And in the interest of the country, they should do a course correction.
Not just the GST, all major bills could get stalled as the BJP's numbers in the Rajya Sabha are unlikely to improve. Brand Modi, many say, is likely to take a hit. There was no chief ministerial candidate in Bihar, and Mr. Modi led the campaign, addressing almost 30 rallies. This may also raise questions about Amit Shah's poll management skills. Will the RSS try to improve its grip on the BJP?
अभी पार्टी अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जी का जो कार्यकाल है वो दिसंबर में पार्टी के संगठन के चुनाव होने वाले हैं. आपको लगता है कि इस हार से सीधा उनके ऊपर फर्क पड़ सकता है, उनको दोबारा कार्यकाल न मिले, इस पर भी विचार हो सकता है?
इसका उसका कोई संबंध नहीं है भाई. जैसा मैंने कहा, बिहार चुनाव के रिजल्ट्स का फैक्टर्स की समीक्षा होगी.
The BJP needs to take some tough decisions to course correct. So will the Prime Minister act against those who work the communal divide? And will there be action against dissenters?
कार्यकर्ताओं के मेहनत के साथ उन्होंने जो एक प्रकार से विश्वास तोड़ा है, तो वो बिल्कुल स्वीकार्य योग्य नहीं हो सकता.
Misreading the early trends, the BJP workers at the party's Patna office started celebrating. But by noon, the usually bustling courtyard in the BJP headquarters was empty. The party canteen was shut down. There were no big gun meetings. The BJP will soon do a post-mortem as it needs to work out a strategy how to stop the build-up by the opposition parties against Prime Minister Modi, which threatens to prove that Brand Modi can be defeated. In New Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.